Dear student, we'll just see the digestion absorption recap. So if you see the digestive tract over here, the regulation of digestion occurs by three stimulus: chemical by hormones, mechanical by food movement, and nervous by reflexes and the centers which are located in the brain. So the complex food which enters to the mouth, the complete digestion occurs in the intestine, small intestine, and this is the passage of food. The food combines with the saliva and forms the bolus. This bolus via pharynx and esophagus, which help in the swallowing and movement into the stomach. Okay, so in the stomach, the bolus combined with gastric juice and form chyme, and then later on in the intestine, the chyme combines with bile, intestinal juice, pancreatic juice, and form and digest the food completely into monosaccharide, amino acids, fatty acids, and where they get absorbed in the small intestine. Okay, the fat is converted into chyle, and the chyle enters the lacteals and join the lymphatic system after the absorption, and later on join the bloodstream. So chyle is chylomicrin and lymphatic fluid. Although some of the fat is absorbed in the form of micelles also, um, if you see here, the mastication occurs in the mouth, whereas in the pharynx, esophagus, deglutination occurs with the muscles, and in the stomach, churning of food occurs due to rugae. In the small and large intestine, there is forward and backward movement of muscles, so the food keep moving throughout the GI tract. Okay, and is subjected to mechanical digestion. um, Secretion of saliva is a reflex mechanism, and the center of saliva secretion are located in posterior part of medulla. Smell, taste, visual stimuli leads to saliva production from salivary gland, to some extent gastric secretion. So if you just see the food, if you smell the food, if you taste the food, your glands which are present in the mouth and stomach get activated, and they started secreting these things at the respective places or in the lumen. Okay, now when the food enters the stomach, the gastric hormones are secreted which accelerate chyme formation. When the food enters the duodenum, the hormone secretin and called cystokinin causes the release of bile and pancreatic juice. Okay, so finally the undigested food, it moves into the large intestine, enters the colon, where large amount of water is absorbed from it and solid portion is ejected via the anus. Okay, so this is the complete GI tract that we have done with. So here we complete the digestion and absorption. Thank you.